Here are some tips on how to increase followers on a Facebook page. Share high-quality content regularly. Consistently sharing interesting, informative, and entertaining content is the most important way to attract and retain followers. Make sure that your content is relevant to your niche and audience, and always aim for high quality. Optimize your page. Make sure that your Facebook page is complete and optimized. Fill in all the necessary information about your business or brand, and use keywords that are relevant to your niche. Use Facebook ads. Facebook ads can be an effective way to reach a larger audience and get more followers. You can target specific demographics, interests, and behaviors to reach people who are most likely to be interested in your page. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and messages promptly, and encourage your followers to engage with your content by asking questions, running contests, or starting discussions. Cross-promote your page. Promote your Facebook page on your other social media profiles, your website, your email list, and other marketing materials. This can help you reach a wider audience and attract more followers. Collaborate with other pages. Collaborating with other pages in your niche can help you reach a wider audience and attract more followers. You can cross-promote each other's content or run joint promotions or contests.